Hey, Algebra 1, we're back at it with elimination, and I want to just bring up this one because it's a little more challenging than the other two problems. Look at this. Right here, we got 5x, 2y, 3x, and 7y, and you want to use elimination. Now, there's not an easy fix, right? There's not an easy fix. So you have to ask yourself, okay, I'm going to need to multiply both equations by something. Now, keep in mind, you want to get one of the variables, just one of them, to have the same coefficient but opposite sign. So one should be positive and one should be negative. Okay? So it doesn't matter which one you pick. I'm going to pick x. So what could I multiply by in order to get these guys to be the same? Well, there's a lot of different answers, but the best answer is going to be whatever the least common multiple between those coefficients is. The least common multiple between 3 and 5 is 15. 15 is going to be what you want them to be. So, what could I multiply by the top to get this one to be the 15? Well, I could multiply by 3. And what could I multiply this one by, the bottom, to get that to be 15? Oh, I could multiply it by 5. But you want one of them to be negative. It doesn't matter which one. Let's pick the top one to be negative, okay? You want them to be negative so they cancel. Otherwise, you just add them together and nothing would cancel. Now, look at this. This is interesting. I decided to multiply the 5 by the 3 and the 3 by the 5. That's always one way you could do it, okay? It happens to be the LCM in this problem, but it doesn't always happen to be that, but it is a helpful tip, okay? So let's go ahead and write this down. No, we don't need Notepad. Thank you, though. Okay, get a little writing here. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15x. Negative 3 times 2y is minus 6y. Negative 3 times negative 1 makes positive 3. All right, then we'll do this one. 5 times 3x is 15x. Whoa, look at that. Negative 15x and positive 15x. They are going to eliminate. 5 times 7y is equal to plus 35y equals 5 times 11 is 55. Folks, we got it. If you add these equations together straight down, you will notice that the x's cancel each other out, and you can solve the problem from there. Okay? So in the event that the problem is a little more challenging to eliminate, I recommend multiplying one of the coefficients by the other and vice versa. 5 times the 3 and 3 times the 5. But just make sure that one of them is negative, otherwise they would not cancel. Okay? I hope you found that helpful.